welcome to my channel The Games Miniature Toys. Today we are going to unbox 2-pack die-cast metal cars by Rally. The main company is Metal and this version is Pro Fire Fleet. So you can see here it's written Pro Fire Fleet. So we have two variants, one is red and one is grey color. Let us unbox and see how does it look. So you can see two different variants, one is red and one is grey. So both looks beautiful. So let's see the car. So we have orange color glasses and the grey color car with Mac wheels, shiny metal Mac wheels. So chassis, you can see this is plastic and these are metal top portion. So very beautiful design, like a monster car. So I like this very much. You can see this top. So let us see the red variant. So red variant is also designed beautifully. So red, all the red colors are metal, and here also we have Mac wheels. So bottom portion is plastic again. Then spoiler is also grey color plastic. You can see this. Very beautifully designed car. So among these two, I like the most is the grey one. So hope you also like the grey one. Comment me which one you liked. My favorite among these two is this one. I bought this 2-pack only for this. So hope you like the unboxing of the day. Do comment, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.